Don't you wish that the brands you already love and pay for via a monthly subscription would simply waive the subscription cost and even choose to collaborate with you? Some of them will even choose to pay for your content, whether it be YouTube Shorts, regular videos, TikTok, Instagram mention, or even a blog post. I've done this dozens of times. When your expenses become revenue sources, it changes the game for content creators. Most people don't believe this, but you don't have to be a big or mega influencer with millions of subscribers. I had only a few thousand subscribers on YouTube when I did this. Share your work, be kind, be responsible. PR agencies and brands would love to get in touch with you and even choose to work with you in the long run. If you're just getting started, choose the brands wisely. Don't try to only approach the Netflix and the Spotify of the world. Instead, start with brands that are smaller, hidden gems, and treasures others wish to discover.